What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to delete Microsoft Windows apps into a simple, fast and effective method. And I'm gonna share with you two effective ways, because there is hidden apps that would like to uninstall that does not appear normally. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your Windows, open the startup panel, and right here go to settings. Okay, from the left sidebar of menus we have the apps, and the most useful way to delete apps is going to uninstall apps. Right here you can find the app that I would like to uninstall. In my case, for example, this is Stick Notes. Click into these three little dots into the right corner of the screen. We can uninstall. Simple, right? And click on uninstall again. Let me show you the complete process. Normally it works good, but there is apps that does not appear into this list. And what to do? From your keyboard, okay, click and hold on the Windows symbol plus the key R, just like this. We're gonna open the Run panel, and right here we must type shell, two dots, apps folder, just like this. Please pause the video, copy the test, do this and click on OK. This is gonna open for you all the apps you have installed on your Windows. And in the case that you want to delete some app, all you have to do is click with the right button of your mouse over the app and click on uninstall. Okay, simple, easy and very effective. Just pay attention. There is apps that can generate you problems if you delete, so be sure that you know what you are doing before delete anything. Okay, and feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.